Hey gang, it's December 29th. I'm out in the backyard and there's no snow. So I thought it'd be a good day to do a video on my new to me Coleman stove. It's a Model 431 from 1980. So the stove is 40 years old and it's an awesome shape. I'll give you a look. So it's in really good condition. It's been cleaned up, obviously. Slight burns like most do from big pot. I did try it as soon as I got it, and the tank holds pressure, lit up no problem. Now this is a bit of an oddity for me to have such a big stove, but this is for when I'm going car camping, like I'm taking the kayaks and stuff, and I always wanted one. I'll use my ferro rod that Dark Matter, DIY Dark Matter gave me. It's awesome. There she goes. Let that heat up a little. Turn down the burn. Awesome. Got a nice blue flame for the Coleman. Give it a bit more pressure. And we got a boil. I have a cup of Earl Grey today. I'll let that sit for a few minutes. That's my new camp stove, my Coleman 431 from 1980. Enjoy my cup of tea now. Thanks for watching. Take care.